Hello everybody, in this next part of Patio Open 2026, time to address the clocks that have stopped over the winter. Before I put my grill back, perfect opportunity to get that Accurate clock up and running again. Well, this one's still chooching along just fine. It's in the little storage building. This one is not doing anything. There was a fail right on the camera, so I guess we don't have glass on that one anymore. And that one's chooching away. Good as new. So the clock's ready to go back into service. There's clock number 1. Ticking away. And clock number 2 with the glass delete. So once again, Patio Open 2026, getting the clocks going. Thank you for watching.